Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and most welcome back to our Factory Talks Optics Studio tutorial. So engineers, in this video, we are going to just discussing about circular gauge in Factory Talks Optics Studio. What is the use of circular gauge and where it is used and how you use it. Understand? So step by step, I have to just teach about this circular gauge. So what is a circular gauge? Last time I have to just discuss about linear gauge. Same, it is a linear gauge, means it is a linear gauge like a horizontal linear gauge, vertical linear gauge, but I have to take a new screen. Understand? From go to the new and screen number 3, and this is a screen 3. Understand? Go to the screen, control C, and go to the screen 3, and I have to paste it. And today I am going to just discuss about circular gauge. Understand? Circular gauge. Then I have to take a new circular gauge. From go to the right click on it and then go to the base control, click on new and then go to the base, and from base you have to choose circular gauge from linear gauge, and this is a circular gauge. Understand? This is a circular gauge. Are you understand what is circular gauge? So from 0 to 100 it is a circular gauge, and its original it's just like a circle shapes. Understand? So it's just like a circle shapes from 0 to 100, and this is a 0 point and this is a 100 point. From this is a starting point and this is a ending point. Understand? Step by step I have to just discussing about these properties. Understand? About the circular gauge properties. Then this play, have you seen this tab? And click on drop down menu and go to the help option, and now here you have to search circular gauge. Understand? Circular gauge, then click. And first, circular gauge, this is a circular gauge. Set or display an integer value within a range of possible value. Means you have to set an integer value within a range value like a 0 to 100. Understand? Figure circular gauge with two warning zones. 0 to 50 is from 0 to 50 the circular gauge indicates green, but 50 to 100 integer value it shows red zone. Understand? Now I have to go create an acceleration gauge and labels this type of circular gauge. And circular gauge, here is a circular gauge properties. What is the value, what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, start angle, end angle, measure tick count. I have to just discussing about one by one now. And this is a circular gauge, and the properties of circular gauge is here. And name, you have to also change its name like a circular gauge test, circular gauge, test circular gauge. You have to change the rename of circular gauge. Understand? Value, in value, understand, value, minimum value, maximum value. In minimum value means the actual tag of circular gauge, and minimum value means 0 and maximum value is 100. Understand? Value change behavior means value means क्या होगा कि value display and possibly change by the user. means यहाँ पे आपको एक टैग देना होगा, ठीक है, वैल्यू में. अंडरस्टैंड? मिनिमम वैल्यू मीन्स आपको एक मिनिमम वैल्यू होना चाहिए. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मीन द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ टैग. Like a minimum value you have to just set 0 and maximum value equal to 100. Minimum value equal to 50, then I have to click enter. The minimum value will be 50 and maximum value will be 100, and I have to, when I have to choose 0, then minimum value will be go to the 0 and maximum value will be go to the 100. Value change behavior. There are two types of option: value change on edit finish, value change while editing. मीन्स वैल्यू चेंज बिहेवियर में आपका दो ऑप्शन है. वैल्यू चेंज ऑन एडिट फिनिश, जब आप चेंज करोगे देन आप इंटर दबाओगे तो वैल्यू चेंज ऑन एडिट फिनिश हो जाएगा. बट वैल्यू चेंज while एडिटिंग मीन्स it means that when you have to type 1 2 3 then the value will be also change. So I have to choose a value change on edit finish. When you have to press enter then value will be change. Understand? Now come to the gauge and gauge properties. Start angle is 135 degree minus 135 degree. When you have to set 0 and this will be go to the this type from 0 to 100. When you have to set minus 135 then it will be go to 0 to minus 0. From 0 this is the minus 135 degree angle, and when you have to set 0 then it will be go to back from 0 to 100, this type of circular gauge. But from minus 135 to 135 it will be circular gauge. Minus 180 and 180 it will be fully circle gauge. Understand? Control Z, Control Z. Editable true means it will be true. When it will go to false then you have to not change it. Understand? When you have to just true then you have to edit the circular gauge. Measure T count equal to 11, यानी मतलब मेजर टी काउंट. द बिग पॉइंट इज नोन एज मेजर टी काउंट. ये 0 10 20 30 40 and this line is known as major T count. Understand? 60 70 80 90 100, this is a major T count. But minor T count equal to 4 means 1 2 3 4. From major T to major T there are 4 minor tick in it. Understand? Label visible means when you have to true the label will be visible like a 0 10 100 to 0 to 100. But when it go to false then label visible will be false. Understand? Then true. Scale padding means 25. When you have to set like as 50, understand, like as 50 scale will be padding this type of. Understand? When you have to set 25 then it will be just this type of padding, and when you have to set 10 then this type of padding. When you have to set 0 then this type of padding. Understand? When you have to set 5 then this type of padding. When you have to set 10 then this type of padding will be happen. Understand? Tooltip false. When you have to enable tooltip then tooltip will be enabled. This is a tooltip. When you have to false it then it will be false. Warning zone is the best option in circular gauge. Understand? From 0 to 50, not from 50 to 100 it goes to warning zone. It goes to warning zone and its color will be red. Understand? Its color will be go to the red. From 0 to 100 padding size will be, I have to increase 25. Understand? From 50 to 100 its color size will be go to the red. Color will be go to the 50 to 100 color will be go to the red. Color will be changes according to it. अपीयरेंस में क्या आपको दिखता है कि आपका सर्कुलर गेज कैसे दिखेगा. when you have to select visible true then it will be visible. When you have to choose false then you have to create a runtime then it will be not visible. Understand? So I have to choose true. Enable means when you have to true then it will be enable. Then you have to choose false then it will be not enable. Understand? When you have to choose true then it will be enable. Opacity, when you have to choose 0 it will be disabled. When you have to choose 50, then 50% will be visible. When you have to enter 100, then 100% will be visible. You have to also rotate it, like as from 60 degree you have to also rotate 60 degree and 90 degree. It will be 180 degree. You as your according, as your choice, you have to also rotate it. Understand? Gauge style default, you have to set it. Tooltip style defaults, you have to set it. Size and layout means horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, left, right, center, stretch. Vertical alignment, top, bottom, center, stretch. Understand? Width 3119 मीन्स आपकी ये चौड़ाई कितनी है? 3119, 319, but I have to choose, I have to enter 300. Understand? Height will be go to the 220, but I have to enter 300 height. Understand? Left margin 250, top margin, left margin from here to here, it will be left margin 250. Top margin from top to here is margin is equal to 100. You have to also apply modify values like as command anything. Understand? This is a circular gauge and I have to create a new tag in Studio 5000. Understand? So go to the main routine and I have to create a new tag, Control C, Control V, and motor 3 speed. Motor 3, nahi, what, fan speed. Fan speed. I have to create a new tag. The tag will be go to the fan speed and its data type will be real. Understand? And this type of data, fan speed actual, fan speed actual, fan speed, and its data type also go to the real. And I have to delete this tag. Understand? So I have to create a new tag, fan speed and fan speed actual. So I have to browse these tags from, go to the open dashboard and configure communication devices emulator and start next. I have to browse fan speed tag, and this is a fan speed, both tag. I have to just click in on it and I have to just add it in scheme number 3. So this is a circular gauge and this is a value where I have to apply tag, which is I have to create in Studio 5000. Go to the Rockwell Auto emulator and then tag, then controller tag, and I have to choose fan speed. Understand? Fan speed I have to choose tag, and its minimum value is 0 and maximum value will be 100. And now I have to run my emulator and also go to the main window and I have to just apply screen 3, call screen 3 in main window. This is a screen 1 and this is a screen 2 linear gauge, and this is my Factory Talks Optics Studio, and here I have to just discussing about circular gauge, and this is a my logic and this is a my circular gauge. When I have to increase my circular, then 12%, then it will be so 12%. When I have to go to the 50, then it will be 48%. Understand? This is a 52%. This is a 81%. Circular gauge you have to use this type of. Understand? Also you have to choose change from here. Understand? You have to also change from it, like as when I have to place 0 value, then circular gauge will be go to 0 place. When I have to enter 50, then circular gauge is go to 50 point. When I have to increase 80, then it will be go to the 80. When I have to enter 100, then it go to the 100. It show 100. But when I have to enter 10, it shows 10. Understand? Then by this we have to apply circular gauge in Factory Talks Optics Studio. I hope you will be understand what is the use of circular gauge and what is the working principle of circular gauge in Factory Talks Optics Studio. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.